In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ClickUp Unlimited Plan discount. If you've been considering upgrading, I'll show you exactly where to look inside your workspace so you can spot available discounts and lock in the unlimited plan at the best rate. First, open your ClickUp account, sign in on the web, or open the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once your workspace loads, look for your profile avatar, usually in the lower left corner of the screen. Click that avatar to open your account menu. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to your personal and workspace preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, find and select Billing. The billing page is where ClickUp shows current plans, pricing, and any promotions tied to your workspace. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should see the option to choose a plan. Locate the unlimited plan. Click it to view the upgrade details. Here's the key part. This is also where discounts typically appear. Look for banners or labels indicating a sale, a percentage off, or a reduced rate when billed annually. Often, switching to annual billing lowers the per user price, so be sure to compare those options before you proceed. After you select the unlimited plan, simply follow the prompts on your screen. The checkout flow will guide you through selecting the number of members, confirming monthly or annual billing, and entering payment details. If a promo or coupon field appears, this is where you can apply an eligible code. Before you finalize payment, double-check the summary to make sure the discount is visible on the total. If you don't see it reflected, toggle between billing options or reopen the unlimited plan view to refresh the pricing. A few quick tips while you're here. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one, because discounts can be workspace specific. Keep an eye on the fine print, like whether the price is per member and how long a promotional rate lasts. And remember that available discounts can change over time, so what you see today might differ from older screenshots or guides. That's it. By opening your account, heading to your profile, clicking Settings, going into Billing, and choosing the unlimited plan, you'll see any discounts available to your workspace and can complete the upgrade with confidence.